Hey guys, how's it going? Today, let's take a look at the 2011 BMW 535i M Sport. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the 535i. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Hendrick BMW in Charlotte, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. This vehicle also comes equipped with a smart key access system. By utilizing this ribbed area on the door handle, it'll lock and unlock the vehicle. Just press your finger on it. Then wait a second, holding the handle to unlock it. It's the Alpine white exterior with the two-tone oyster black and Dakota leather interior. It does have push-button ignition. Just put your foot on the brake and hit the button to start. Very nice. It's got an 8-speed automatic transmission with manual and sport mode. Just hit the unlock button to bring it into gear. Push it over for sport, and then use the paddles on the steering wheel to engage manual mode. Push up for neutral, push unlock, and all the way up for reverse. You have a backup camera with guidance lines. Through the iDrive system, you have different selectable options also for the backup camera and your parking sensors. The mirrors also tilt down when you put it in reverse. And I'll go over the rest of the features down here at its appropriate part in the video. Large leather-wrapped steering wheel, nice and soft with heavy side bolster and extensions. Just briefly, I'll go over the different options for the M package. With it, you get the M-style steering wheel with the M badge down below, the anthracite wood trim, multi-contour seats, and I'll go over those in its appropriate part of the video, anthracite headliner, aerodynamics kit, larger 19-inch wheels, as well as shadowline exterior trim. And let's go and count the headlights. It does have automatic lights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. All 4 windows are fully automatic. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? The interior of the vehicle will beep, letting you know that there's loss detection of the proximity key fob. Automatic xenon headlamps with auto leveling and cornering lights. Corona LED halo lamps as well as LED turn signals. Front parking assist. Like I said, standard 19-inch wheels on the M Sport, Michelin performance tires, LED turn signal indicators, full power sunroof, automatic rain sensing wipers, beautiful curvaceous body lines, LED tail lamps. You see the unique rear fascia of the M Sport, rear parking assist, as well as dual dark chrome exhaust tips. backup camera and LED license plate lights. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. The 535i comes with a twin turbocharged variant of the 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Power is unchanged from the last generation, but uses a new set of turbochargers that boost power at lower RPMs as well as increase fuel economy. It's 24 valve with variable valve timing and direct injection, produces 300 horsepower at 5,800 RPM and 300 foot-pounds of torque at 1,200 RPM. It's rear-wheel drive, has an 18.5 gallon fuel tank with an estimated miles per gallon rating on premium gas of 19 city, 28 highway. If you fail to close the doors all the way, they also suck themselves shut. One more time. Very attractive color combination. All padded, stitched leather. Power locks, power mirrors, power folding mirrors for both sides, as well as your power rear sunshade control. Two-person memory for the driver's seat, storage. Like I said, this is the M Sport multi-contoured leather bucket seat with powered leg adjustment. Does have side airbags, 4-way power lumbar adjustment, as well as, aside from your standard controls, a powered top portion for your upper back, and manual headrest adjustment to fit the contour and shape of your head for added comfort and support. M door sills, close up on the wood trim, as well as along the dash. Also has a power tilt telescoping steering wheel. It's also heated. So let's go and see how it sounds, shall we? Very freely revving car. You can definitely hear a bit of that turbo whine as well. Nice solid doors. This 535 also has a completely dual zone climate control, independent fan speeds, independent temperature obviously, as well as independent zones for both sides. Heated seats. Your different zones. Also a front defrost, rear defrost, AC and recycling, automatic recycling. This vehicle comes with the newly revised iDrive multimedia interface, controlled through this wheel in the center, as well as your different buttons here for selectable menus, back, vehicle options. Pardon that little bit of glare right there, but instead of having the 4 quadrants of data for the previous system, this one actually uses a list interface where you just turn it left and right to scroll through the different options. This vehicle comes with the premium audio system with standard HD radio, weather band, satellite radio. I believe the speakers in this vehicle are in fact Harman Kardon with full surround sound. Bluetooth telephone, phone book, messages, integrated dialing. It is a hard drive based system, so you can load up MP3 files and music, as well as have, like I showed you before, the messages and so on and so forth. Integrated office controls. BMW Assist is a complimentary system with concierge service, your messages, roadside assistance, customer relations, and service requests. Vehicle info, diagnostics, rather easy system to get used to, I think. May take a little bit of playing around with. Customizable settings. And your navigation. Various navigation options to the left. Real-time traffic updates. Interactive map shows a full widescreen display. And those are pretty much the basic options and systems with the iDrive. Hands-free phone controls, radio controls, as well as voice commands. Radio. Satellite radio.
Satellite radio.
Favorite blue-collar comedian.
Radio.
Radio.
FM.
FM.
Voice commands.
Voice commands. Select a frequency. For example, 96.3 or say manual.
104.7.
You are listening to 104.7 FM.
Pretty neat. Cruise control. Like I said, rain sensing wipers. Heads-up display. Electronic parking brake with auto hold mode. Your parking sensor activation, as well as activation of your rear view camera while parked.
This is commercial-free music from K104.7, and John, you cannot mean this.
Traction control, sport and comfort modes. Cup holders, a power outlet. Storage, auxiliary and USB. Power outlet, place to put an integrated telephone. Garage home link, an auto dimming rear view mirror. One touch automatic sunroof. SOS, emergency roadside assistance through BMW. For the hands-free telephone, you do have two speakers, so your voice can equally be heard from either side of the vehicle. Very comfortable seating, by the way. So let's go ahead and shut it off. And we'll check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Same two-tone pattern with the wood and stitched paneling. It's your manual sunshades. Roomy rear seat. Rear power outlet, heated seats for the back passengers. Fully powered trunk. Plenty of room. Side storage pockets. Roadside assistance gear. This side also has the rear sunshades. Two-person memory for the passenger seat, as well as the same power adjustments as the driver's seat. Side storage net. It's just a beautifully styled dash. Quite a nice premium sports sedan. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 2011 BMW 535i M Sport. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.